What's up, guys? My name's Evan Dini. I am a 30-year-old drummer. I play in a pop punk band called Too Close for Comfort. We're based out of Reno, Nevada, here in the United States. I've been playing drums for about 15 years now. I just recently got these 5Bs from Collision. These sticks are awesome. I just played with them live just recently, and these sticks feel amazing. I fell in love with them right away as soon as I started playing with them. And with them live, the rebound on them is just unmatched. But yeah, Collision is a dope company to be working with. These guys are very personal with the artists. They stay in contact with you. If you have any questions or concerns, these guys are really on it, and they give you the answers you need. And they also deliver these sticks all the way from the UK to the United States in a very timely manner. It's very impressive. In this video that I'm going to be playing for you guys is actually an unreleased song that we had the chance to play for the very first time just recently, and hope you guys enjoy.